everyone? Vaesive here. Welcome to a weekend stream. The buttons are really not gonna work again right after I start streaming. So freaking frustrating. It doesn't matter. I don't need to be on this scene anyways. Welcome to a weekend stream. I was supposed to stream yesterday building some Lego stuff, but other stuff came up and wasn't feeling so hot, so I wasn't able to get to it. But we're gonna be building some Legos. Sorry, I'm like super paranoid right now. I'm like having to sit with my feet up because before I started stream, I was like picking up stuff around the floor, like all of Jada's toys, and throwing up on her bed so she can have something to chew on. And I picked up a toy, and probably one of the biggest, probably in like the top 20 size spiders I've seen in a house, was underneath one. So I was like, woo! But you know, I had a toy in my hands, so smash! Got it, right? And then literally 2 minutes later, an even bigger one, probably within the top 5, was up against the wall, the green screen that I use for VR on the wall. You know, it's held together by PVC pipe, so it like sticks out like a foot and a half from the wall. Not a foot and a half. What am I talking about? Like 8 inches from the wall, right? So you can't smash it because there's nothing hard behind it. And so I was like, well, there's nothing else I can do. This motherfucker's huge. I have nothing available right now. And if I go run upstairs, it might disappear, which is obviously the very worst thing that can happen when there's a spider, right? So I'm like, all right, I'm going to try my best. And I used a box and I smashed as hard as I could, but like it just rebounded that fucker. And he so I have a 90-degree angle of the green screen, right? And it rebounded him to the other side and he booked it, and I couldn't get over there fast enough because there's a freaking table in the way. And then he ran behind the green screen. And so then I was like, okay, well, I don't know where he's at now. And I like tried to look behind the green screen, but he's gone. And so then I ran upstairs and I got a shoe just in case he tries to make a surprise appearance and scare the shit out of me. And I'm actually very paranoid right now. That's why my feet are up, because I'm not wearing any stuff on my feet. And I don't want him to crawl up me. I mean, he can still crawl up my chair, but I'm kind of hoping Jada eats him if he finds him. But she hasn't done that in years. She's too old. She doesn't care about spiders anymore. But I hate it. It was a big ass motherfucking spider. Like it was like the odds of two big ass ones. They were okay. Diagonally, they were probably 7-8 feet away from each other. One was on the floor under a toy. Another one was up on the green screen. So I'm like, did you guys see each other from across the way? It's like, hey, let's go make babies. Because they looked identical. Motherfucker. No, I don't like it. Anyways, let's switch over. Oh, that's not the button I'm looking for. This. Oh, I'm already on the scene. I'm fine. So you guys, amazing and lovely, completed a channel point redemption to build these two sets. Yeah, there we go. This is the Lego Boba Fett Boba Fett's ship. It's the tinier version. I built the Super Collector's Edition before. I don't even know if I had a channel around at that point. I don't remember. It's been a while, but I have that one. But this is the little one. For how many pieces? Less than 600 pieces. And this one, the Mandalorian Starfighter, which is the Naboo Starfighter, right? And looks really cool. It's just super chrome. So we're gonna build both of these on stream. And depending on how fast I go, I grabbed some of the other sets. I don't know. This one I paid for. It's one of those goofy, adorable little sets that you just kind of put together. It's got 200 pieces. And this one, I think one of the ones that you get free every now and then. This one has 79 pieces. It's a funny little walker. There you go. Man, the blowout here is something fierce. Let's see if we can maybe fix that real quick. So obviously, if you guys have been around for a while, this is there's no doggo cam because I have to use it for the Legos. It is possibly that I could set up the old cam. What happened to the old cam? I still have it. The old doggo cam. I don't remember what happened to the old doggo cam. I know part of it's broken and doesn't stay on an arm anymore. Maybe, but I think I had to replace it for some reason. I don't remember. Let's see. Let's see if I can configure some of these settings here. Low light compensation. Don't do not need that. Oh goodness. All right, let's turn that on. Yep, definitely need autofocus. Let's turn on. And it's still super blown out, isn't it? The white looks a little bit better though. Let's keep that on. Let's do manual exposure. See, that looks blown out. That might be doable. Let's see what that looks like at full screen. You know what? That's acceptable. I think I can deal with that. I'm gonna move some stuff around here. We're also gonna have song requests on, so if you guys want to play some music and be my DJ, I would greatly appreciate it, and it could be fun. Let's scooch that down. Where is my songs? There we go. Why is missing something here? Because lights are, oh, this light's not on. Stay away, spider. There you go. Look it. Beautiful. Disappeared. Okay then. Also, the snap cam is weird. It has a different problem every time I start it up. Either it doesn't work, or this time it started up and it like had a completely different resolution. And I was like, and I didn't realize it. So I was like, why am I like, I was tiny. I was like this size, like this whole cutout right here. I was about that, and I was up in this corner. I was like, well, okay. Went back to the scene, fixed it, made myself huge. Checked Snapcam, it had a weird error saying the resolution didn't match, so I restarted it, didn't fix it. Restarted OBS, it fixed it, and then I was huge. I was expanded beyond this area, like I was all cut off. And then I was like, motherfucker, why you gotta keep changing yourself, Snapcam? Don't do that. Also, oh, I did bring my drink down here. Yo, this is a huge tune. Okay. Also, I had to rearrange some stuff to make stuff fit because I'm playing on my normal desktop right here. I didn't want to bring over that table because it has the Mos Eisley set on it still, and I haven't found a place to put it. So, and I'm hoping these are small enough that we can just knock them out, you know. How come this isn't showing up as music? Oh, it's because right, I need to change these. There we go. Now I can see. Turn it slightly down. Hopefully that's not too loud for you guys. Alright, let's put... I don't want to put anything on the floor right now. Croesus, my dude! What's going on? Thank you so much for the raid! How come I didn't... How come... I was literally on Twitch. How come I didn't see you streaming? For shame. How you doing? Welcome, welcome! Swiggle, Croesus, Caitlin. How's it going, all my beautiful friends? I'm popping in right as we're about to build some Legos. You guys like Legos? Everybody likes Legos. What am I saying? You only stream for like an hour. Oh, maybe that's it. Because like I was probably sitting up here within like the last 40 minutes. So, what were you playing? Thank you so much for the raid, dude. I greatly appreciate you. Not feeling too hot? Oh, dude. Yes. Go lay down. Drink some water. Go take care of yourself. That's important. Anyone coming in from Croesus' raid, I appreciate you popping in and saying hey. It very much means a lot. But as with Croesus, if you need it, eat some food, drink some water, go lay down. Self-care is important. Go do that first and foremost. And if you feel like coming back, we'll be here. But yeah, we're gonna be building. So these were channel point redemptions. The community completed. So we're gonna be building both of these sets, and then I have these that I just got as bonus sets. This one I think came free with the order, and this one might have as well from forever ago. I have too many sets that I need to build, and so those are bonus if we finish quickly. But there's song requests open, so if you feel like being a DJ, feel free to play some tunes. We're gonna be starting with the Mandalorian Starfighter here. I don't want to put anything on the floor in case that giant spider shows up again. I don't have any room here though, not putting stuff on the floor. I'm seriously freaking out, dude. That better not be another one. Hold on. Okay, it's not. It's just a mark on the heater. Whew. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not fun. crap, that feels really loud. Alright, little boy, you go for a ride. Whee! The Grogu boy. Just to watch them burn. Alright, BD. You can hang out right here. Doesn't feel like anything was worth. Check it out! We did it! Yeah. And there's the boy. Love it. That was a fun build. I give you my all, but you never know. Alright, that one was fun. Dude, when they revealed this in the show, I was screaming. I do miss the classic yellow, though. And I hope it hits you right between the eyes. I don't apologize. Alright, next one. I'm stuck. There we go. Alright, no spiders. No spiders. No spiders. Okay. We're safe. Ugh. Good enough alone. Alright.